Profitable greetings to each of you, friends. We continue to work on the content, and this time I want to show you one of the trading methods that I myself sometimes use, but I want to warn you right away that this method requires a clear control of emotions, as well as the ability to locally predict the situation. This time we'll work with short trades, relying only on our own intuition and knowledge of technical analysis. Ready to see this incredible content? Then don't regret the likes under this video and be sure to check the subscription. We recharge ourselves with energy from the anticipation of work and start doing right now. Let's get started. Today, as I said, we will trade based on our own knowledge. This is also possible. However, this method is more risky. But don't worry, because we will tell you how to catch these signals and make money on them. I opened the Australian dollar and USD currency pair, and let's start with the nimble technical analysis right away. We are observing a situation in which the lows tend to the bottom, and those guys who have subscribed to our channel for a long time and watch video regularly already independently read a stepwise price decrease right here. Look at the support level from which the price bounced, and then the decline began again. This has already happened, and I think that the downward movement will continue and break through the support level. The volumes confirm my opinion, and I open a 1-minute down trade. The graph has already started falling, and this fall is beginning to reach the support level. Let me explain with my masterful drawing. Those bearish candles are clearly going to break through the support level gradually. We have a slow decline in prices, and the volumes under the chart show the dominance of currency sales. So everything is quite expected, and look how appetizing the price dropped below the opening of the deal, and if it holds in the same point, it will be the first successful deal for today. The broker gives us 69% of the return on investment. Not a lot, but we can work with it. I told you that the essence of our method is in the fast deals, and to open fast deals you need to find the right moments, like this one, and by my decision to enter this currency pair, we have already earned the first money, and excellent start on a reason to continue working further. And do you know what I'm going to do right now? Well, the support level is almost reached. But I think that after this drop, the market will want to roll back the price a little, so without hesitation for a long time, a 1-minute up trade. Look, if we talk about the chart on the broker, we have a level to which the price has rolled back. There is a relative dense growth candlestick, which hints to us that a rollback awaits to us, so it's definitely worth a try. Based on my experience, I think that the price will break the next level and then continue to fall. Specifically, growth is important to us now, because the transaction period is so short, and what I want to say, such actions should be taken only with experience. I don't recommend repeating after me exactly expecting the same result. I just myself already see the patterns I need and try to react with lightning speed and look. Then where growth begins, albeit not as hard as a beginning, but it is there, and if everything continues within the given limits, we'll take our winnings. And oh guys, yes, it's very easy, one more time, it's quite easy. Both trades were opened at speed and successfully closed with a plus. This is how you need to work. Well, let's play with the British pound. Let's see how it's doing there. Not a lot, a hard drop, and then the start of a price pullback after the support level. And do you know, it is necessary not to waste time and to quickly fly into a deal for an increase, because the rollback has just begun, and it is even a no-brainer that the price will rise now. I find the currency pair on a broker, and now it's time to open a deal. There will be an increase, there will be money. Fine, growth has already begun, and in theory we'll earn a pretty penny from this. What I wanted to say about the chart: from this moment you can start trying this trading method. If you watched all my videos, if you made a couple of deals, then you can always determine the growth from the price support point, and you can enter such charts, earning juicy cash. Yes, there was a slight drawdown, but the result is the same. The money flew into our wallet, because the chart is somehow higher than the opening level of the deal. I didn't care much about the result, so we can move on, because today we trade very quickly, sharply, but accurately and very profitably. Let's add some variety and work with the Euro and USD, which we have here. What do we have here? Not a lot. a hard pump, then the price reached its high, and then a drop corresponding to the pump. As a result, we have a very unstable situation on the chart, because the gross candlestick is opposed by the same falling candlestick and vice versa. So there is the fact of the drop, there is the last candlestick and the beginning of the volume of currency purchases. Right now, it's time to think about what we are going to do. Let's go back to the platform and now look at what signal we receive. An empty candlestick with a growth shadow. This is a good hint, so we are active. So let's open a trade. We open a deal for increases and it will again be very short. This is how we work today. What I want to say about the method itself. Friends, look for support levels that the chart bounces off. It is there that you can try to practice with the short traders. Just if you see that the price has been falling for a long time, then try to bet on growth and you will be happy. As you can see, I have already closed 3 trades with a plus using these methods, and now I am trying to close the 4th one. However, be aware of the risks that await you and remember the code head. I will not tire of repeating this because it is just short deals that can provoke you to a rush decision. But I already thought it over, decided and got the corresponding plus. The deal was successfully completed, and besides, the broker pays 84% of the rate, which is very good news. In general, let's summarize. Today I made 4 pluses in a row without really straining, and so you can do it also. Follow our videos, watch each of them very carefully and become the person who will earn as well. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel, like this video and make crazy profits together with the Scalper Bot.